勝ち目はない。
やっても見ねえでわかるかよ。仕事救われるぞ。
人類という種のためか、世が壊してやる。その方が世と交わすことが叶うの。
お互い大変だな。
まさかただの殺気でこんな。なんだ今のは。
黒崎一護だな。11番隊隊長ザラキケンパジだ。てめえと殺し合いに来た。どうした言ってんだぜ。俺は
確かに刺されて。さっきか。なんで俺の名前てめえ一体。
Dawg Gang, we are back for another big video. Hope you guys enjoyed the Call of Duty video I made yesterday. If you haven't, make sure you go watch that. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty darn entertaining. So I would check that out if you like Call of Duty content and whatnot. Because I'm trying to mix my content up a little bit. I don't want to just be in one lane. I'm trying to do my own thing. So besides that, guys, today we are going to be making a Gunna type beat. But the reason why we're making a Gunna type beat is because I found yet another anime sample. You might be able to tell because of the the intro and everything kind of hinted at that. But yes, I finally found another anime sample and it had a lovely guitar looping, and I was like, you know what, we're gonna use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and extract that from the thing. And yeah, if you haven't done so already, make sure you leave a like on the video. Okay, let's try and get this video to 100. That's probably asking for a lot, but try it. Come on, 100 likes. Don't forget to comment on videos that you do in the future in the comment section below. Don't forget to also share this video with your friends on all your social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right. More and more people are subscribing, which is what I'm enjoying. You know what I'm saying? I like that. It's good. And yeah, don't forget to turn on post notifications, turn on that bell, because I know YouTube don't be liking to tell my subscribers my videos to drop. So hit the notification bell so you can actually get notified when I drop videos. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So yeah, all right, so here's the OST. I don't know what it's called. Oh, it's called, I guess it's called Reason. I don't think I'm gonna get copyright strike for it. So we're gonna go ahead and download this. Yeah, so give me like 2 seconds. I probably should have done this beforehand, but I like to make things difficult for myself. Okay, so here it is. Here's the sample that I've extracted from YouTube. And I don't want to show you guys what it sounds like yet, just because I don't want to get copyright strike, just in case. So I'm just gonna mess around with it first, then, or actually, you know what, let's just pitch it up. I'm gonna pitch it up and then I'll show you. So it's pretty cool. It has like the guitar, and it also has a nice I guess you could call it a bell. That's why I really liked it, because it doesn't just have one melody. So if all goes well, I don't think I would need a counter melody. So you know what? Let's just head into it.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I have the loops here, but I just need to, like, what's it called? First of all, let's get the correct BPM. So all right, let's play around with these chops or samples or whatever you want to call it. Alright, you know what? I'm using that. I like that reverse melody, so I'm gonna use that. Alright, this is probably not gonna turn out to be a Gunna type beat, so I may need to change the name of this video. All right, you know what? That's cool. That is cool. I like that bounce. Now let's just go to the 808s. All right, that is nice. Now we gotta turn up these 808s because I cannot hear them. And also, I'm also gonna EQ the what's it called? The sample, just because it's getting in the way of the low end. All right, you know what? Let's work on these hi-hats. All right, I'm feeling the hi-hats right now. Okay, these hi-hats can be great. These hi-hats can be really good. Let's see. Really? Well, there you have it. There it is, man. I'm very happy with that. That was fantastic. That turned out very well. Yeah. All right, another one, another video, another banger, as always. But if you guys like the video, make sure to leave a like, don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, join the Discord as well. All right, there's a lot of stuff going on in the Discord you don't want to miss out on. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.